beat me. Because I looked at her funny.
What the hell are you doing?
Well, it's always an Audi, isn't it? What a twat. Four circles of Audi, I see. The four circles.
That's alright. Well, he fell off his skateboard and someone was in the wrong lane, I think. So, got 2 clips out of that one. What a moron. Those guys are so close. Jeez. Oh, nice. Well done, taxi man. Is it a taxi?
It's not even
oh,
that,
not even it. That's oh, I've got to get through the light. Pulled round on its way. See him.
Let me just let this guy move then, and I'll park in the bay.
Really? Where are we going to go?
Backwards. Right-hand turn lane to your right, and there are 2 of you being twats and indicating on the wrong side of this. So, see, this one understands.
He figured it out.
He's gonna,
he knows.
yeah, and so did this one. This one knows what it
Knows this lane.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Well, I can see from here, so it's easy for me when you know how. I know, good enough. That's one for your dash cam.
Straight for the red light.
That was a red light run if I ever saw one, mate.
More circles of Audi, you see. No, it's not. Coco's a pillock. Come on. And the driver of the blue transit.
My age, you just still bloody hell, mate. You just stay at mine.
Yeah, he knew what he was doing.
If you do, yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
What are you doing?
I was going to say, what are they doing?
What are you doing?
Lane!
I would say he's in the complete.
Bloody crater in the middle of the road there. Jesus. Full of water. Like a swimming pool.
Okay, 2-1 in a minute.
Whoa.
Anchor. Rolling stones.
Bloody hell. Earth's gonna open up and swallow me. I think it's become a steep. Was that a hole? I think it was a grate or something there.
Nah, they blinkers? No? No?
Indicating to go round the corner. Okie dokie.
Not able to like go upstairs or anything like that at the moment. But she's doing alright, she's getting there.
Holy shit, that's incredible. Wow.
Okay, well, new season. Spring has sprung and look what's turned up. When was the last time any of you saw one of these? I'm sure they were very popular back in the 60s and 70s, but I certainly haven't seen one in quite a few years.
Oh dear, I've had a Christmas shunt up the bum. Lovely.
Not paying attention, I think.